everybody. I wanted to give you a quick peek at part 2 of organizing a small space. So I just wanted to give you guys, I know it's difficult to try to work in a bedroom from going from a 1100 square feet studio space with ample storage and room to walk around. But I just, now I have my bedroom, and basically half of this room is now my studio space. So I had to make the best of things and be more creative. As you can see here, I've got an IKEA metal rolling cart, which I love these because I love all the drawers. It's lightweight and it's on wheels. And then I bought a couple of painter's carts from Michael's. These are the ones, I'll try to show you under here. These are the ones that have the little lips, these little wood tops. You have to buy the tops separate, but they're only like $7 or something like that, $10. But I needed those because on top of this, I bought a piece of wood that I painted and put some little plastic stuff on top. But I put the wood on there and I screwed it to the tops of each cart. This way now I have one movable cart, and I can still use the storage on that first tier, which is this one right here. There's stuff inside of there. And I just lift that top off. And each of the cart's lids are screwed on to that wood counter, I guess you would call it. So I've got storage below and I've got enough room to add stuff. And I can clear that whole thing off and use it when I've got bigger pieces of art that I need to work with. And it's a good height. I think that is about, I don't know, I want to say 4 feet, maybe 3 feet high. So I'm short, so it's pretty good height for me. And then I made this shelf here, this one, so that I had extra shelving. But you have to use all the space. I mean, you literally have to be creative. I bought these off of Amazon. They're another form of magnetic shelving. But in my instance, I used the 3M Velcro strips to secure them on the walls so that I can put smaller little things that I want to be able to see and get readily, like these little sketchbooks and my ink there. And then I've got this spice rack that I keep paints in. I also have one of those magnetic pencil holders put on there, as you can see, with the 3M Velcro strips. And then I have all of my paints, and I showed you guys this in the other video. Again, another handmade shelf. And then I have another IKEA drawer system underneath my desk here. And then I have my swing lamps connected to that. So everything in a nutshell that you might need at your fingertips. And then I'll show you real quick the stackable bins that I have with some more art on it. so just a moment. So here next to my computer, this is on the other side of the room, I bought this old, I don't know what you would call it, but it would probably go in a dining room to place plates and things on. I got that at the thrift store for like, I don't know, $10. And then I have a shelf on top of that, 2 shelves up there. These are really more decorative, but there's function to them. And then I've got, you know, the couple of the bins under there. And then you can see these bins, they just stack really nice and they close nicely. You can basically, you close 2 of them at a time. I don't think you can close all of them together, but you might be able to if you took the lids off. But they're very functional. I only attach 2 at a time so that I can pick them up. They have a, over here underneath the fan, they have a handle so you can pick them up, take them wherever you want. I mean, you can use them for if you got stuff to go to an art fair or whatever. They're very handy, and like I said, I've got those at Amazon. So back over here, so yeah, I mean, it is organized as I can possibly be. I've got smaller bins down in those paint carts. It's, I mean, really, is it ideal? Probably not. But does it work for what I need it to do right now? Absolutely. And, you know, I think at some point, you know, if I get a different space, it will be great because I can have things, you know, put away and I can have things set out the way that I need it to be. But hey, when you're working with a small space, you got to work with what you got. So basically, I'm going to leave you on this note here. I just wanted to get a part 2 kind of set up for you guys so you can kind of see what I've been up to. It's, I actually just cleaned, it was a hot mess in here not too long ago. But I cleaned up, got it ready so you guys can take a look at what I'm doing. It's important to be creative in your ideas of the material that you use, to be organized, to fit your space. You know, I measured, I had to figure out what size board to get for this thing here. In order, because you can basically make that as long or short as you needed it. But I wanted it to span this particular wall. And it's on wheels, so I can move it around when I need to work on it. I can probably put it up against here and have more space. But, so there you go. And I will, as we move forward with these videos, is give more tips and tricks and different ideas of what you can do. I love these swing arm clamp lamps. You basically can put them anywhere, move them wherever you need to move them. I got those off of Amazon as well. So thanks for watching, guys, and please remember to subscribe and like the videos that you think are important or that you enjoy watching, and please share with your artist friends, and we will kick off the next video here soon. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you soon.